He finally finished the blanket.
Can we go eat now?
I'm so hungry.
Shh, they are almost ready. The rice balls here and the fruit on top. Looks perfect.
The blanket goes right.
Hurry up, I can't wait. Let's go fly the kite. Wow, that's amazing.
It really is beautiful scenery.
Come on.
I want to run all the way.
Look, Mommy, the sun is making patterns on the ground. Oto-san! Ha! Mizu! Kirei!
Ganbatte!
You can do it! A meadow! Let's run!
We're flying. This is amazing.
How about there?
Perfect spot.
Help! Help! Is anyone here? I'm so glad you two are safe.
We found this clearing. It's beautiful here. Perfect day for a picnic.
Are we almost there yet?
Just around the bend. Look at the sunlight.